I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. So, our air conditioning is broken in the main house, so I'm in the attic, and it has its own air conditioning, but it's as dusty as you'd expect an attic to be. I'm, I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm trying to hold back so I could talk, but it's basically whatever's up here is driving my nose crazy. Oh dear, this is getting really messy, really fast. Oh my god. Hang on, I need to get some tissue, tissue now. Hang on. That got insanely messy, really, really fast. I didn't expect that. I didn't have any tissues ready. I feel another one coming. I'm gonna try to talk through it. Yeah, I just had hit record and stop. I had just hit record and started sneezing, thinking it would be just a small fit. But pretty much by the third sneeze, my nose was just overflowing. All right, hang on. Okay, so here's what's going on. I don't actually have any tissues in the house, as far as I know. I have a roll of toilet paper that oh, it's coming. And I tore up into into sort of almost into tissue-sized strips, because these are really, really messy. I'm gonna sneeze. These are really big and really messy. Oh my god. This is a really pretty epic fit. Welcome to my attic. It's man, it's full of dust. This is actually pretty gross. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. So I think I have a few more coming. So I'm sorry for how messy these have been. Oh, I can't help it. Oh my god. They just keep coming. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see. And now it's getting messy again. I'm gonna see. This is so messy. One more. These are my last tissues, so I hope this stops soon. I'm gonna see. Gonna see. I think that's. Uh, I'm gonna have to stop now so I can find more, more toilet paper. So. That was my last one. So. Uh, later, I guess.